Okay, I don't know English. Okay, I did not speak English, so I am learning English. Okay, or I speak, I learn, I practice in English speaking. Okay, so generally when we practice English, our in our mind words are not coming. We are not comfortable with English because we did not learn English, or we did not practice English. So sorry for if you do not understand. I speak whatever I in my mind I speak. Okay, I did not hesitate because I want to speak in English, because in India it's very important for learning English or speaking English, because some if you speak in English, those people thinks that people thought he is a educated person. Okay, if you do not English, if you don't know English, I am not saying you are not successful, but you are if you know English, your level is up rather than who do not English. Okay, so I so forget about a background, because we live in a rent where where we have only one room. So at this time, no one is hurt, no one at home. So that's why I open my camera and speak in English in front of my camera. If you try to speak in English, there are many problems you have faced. Okay, first is you do not know about grammar. So that's the big problem. But grammar is, I think grammar is not very much important when you start learning, when you when you speak English, because her time every time you do not remember what is the where I use is mr, where I this word use. So so i I also many times learn grammar, but it did not work. But I don't but I did not say it did not work, but it's work. But if you try to speak in English, you have to speak. Okay, you have to speak. uh, Otherwise, if you learn all about grammar but you did not speak, you didn't but you did not speak, so you cannot speak. कभी भी बोल नहीं पाओगे. Okay, sorry for that. I so let's talk about let's speak in English. Okay, I talk whatever in my mind. Okay, there is a blackboard. Okay, see, there is a blackboard where I take a tuition for a small student. Okay, I talk whatever in my mind. I don't think about whatever. Okay, okay. Oh, there is a fan is revolving. Okay, and give me air, so I I I feel cold. Okay, there is there is a hotness outside, but because of fan I did not feel hotness. Okay, okay. Now next is okay, I purchase a Boya mic. This is a Boya mic. If you I I uh, I speak loudly, but if you cannot listen my sound, then use your headphone. Okay, I don't know how much how can I speak. Okay, next thing about what was that. Okay, yeah. Okay, next is I upload this video on YouTube. I don't know how many people watch this video, but but if anyone wants to speak English, then you motivate for me, because I have no any other option. I have only my mobile. Okay, where I talk to mobile. My mobile is my sati. Okay, I can talk, I can walk, I can talk, I can walk, whatever I did. uh, I speak in front of my camera, because no one free for you to talk in English. Okay, you have to talk in English if you really want to speak in English. Now I am trying. Okay, I am trying. I am, or my target is 3 months. 3 month. I practice this type. I practice this. Okay, my English is very bad. Okay, so that's it for now. I will practice after some time, or because nothing. Okay, tata, bye bye. बहुत हो गई।